Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you once again a couple of calls. Today was a little bit frustrating. We've had weather that up north, and I think even in North Georgia, is producing snow, but down here it's just cold drizzle rain. In both of these I was unable to get them going, but here you can see the diagnosis and I'll bring you along. Stay tuned. Hola. Hey, y'all having trouble with this heat?
No, I don't, but we didn't bother it. Whether or not, that's it's down. I ain't bothered.
Okay.
I know there's no what 60 or something, but it doesn't with outside. It ain't bothered.
That's gonna have to stay in there for now. Somebody's been driving through here on something, and I have me a nice little mud puddle here. What do we have here? I hope we got protection somewhere else. I'm just gonna check head pressure real quick. And amp draw on those heat strips. I got 0 amps on the heat strips, which makes me think I might have a trip breaker. All right, let me see. R410. That seems a little bit low. I got a breaker turned off. And it tripped. Lovely. Right in the water. Hope I didn't just ruin that. At least I'm not in a mud puddle over here. Let's see what we find under here. Those don't look so bad. Hold on a sec, I'm trying to get where I can show you. That in there don't look so bad. But that breaker, as you can see, those terminals are black. They look like they've gotten hot. And that's a 60 Q. Oh, I keep hearing something. Let me look and see if I got one of those. Can y'all see that where it's been arcing right there? I was looking at that in there to try and figure out if the whole disconnect needs to be replaced, but it didn't look bad enough to me. I'm using the square on this because I've got a square down here. I prefer to use that when I can. It just makes a much better connection. And I hope y'all can hear me. I know that condenser's running back there. I don't know if y'all heard that, but when I was touching these wires, the condenser kind of made a funny noise. So let's get this going and then let's check this breaker. All right, look at that. Woo. And that one is burnt. Yeah, that one's fried. So I can't use. Yep, we need a new disconnect. I'm going to put that breaker back on, save this one. I swear I keep hearing something out here, like there's somebody watching me. Kind of weird. recommend we get an electrician out here to change the disconnect. In this next call, the tenant just said, hey, it's been doing nothing but blowing cold air. Y'all forgive me, my battery's running low on my camera. We got one flash. One flash, limit circuit open. That could be a couple of them. This is what we call a high limit, and that's a rollout. That one's resettable. First, let's see if that clicks. Does not. We're going to test for voltage across this high limit. Eight volts. That high limit's been replaced before. It's showing 8 volts across it. It shouldn't be showing anything. Well, alright, that's where my model and serial used to be. I see I don't have a model and serial on this thing.
I don't know how long it's been now. I moved in here.
Alright, I'm just going to bypass this to make sure that limits my problem. Turn it off for a sec and see if that thing will fire up.
I know one guy worked on it when Mr. Brooks had it.
And he said that thing would need a valve soon.
Will you go into the thermostat, make sure that's turned on? I think I caused it to turn off.
I sure will.
You cannot leave these like this. I don't know. I'm not. He may have turned it off on the inside. But with that limit showing open, the draft motor and the blower is going to run all the time. Let's see if it'll just come on and run. Just showing 8 volts across it is something a little different though. All right, I've got 27 volts on red. I now have 27 volts on white. All right, come on now. There we go. Let's see if it'll fire up. It's working on it.
Yeah, that's the only sound I got last night. You would never, you hear it make that noise right there, then you would never night, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it was blowing cool air out.
But I can't leave it like that. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you did, that one with the limit, I had to order the limit, so it's going to be 2 days. He can't get any kind of heat until then. I'm not going to bypass it. I just did that for diagnosing reasons. So if you enjoyed, how about like and subscribe? When I go back to replace that limit, I'll bring you along.